starting off with prepped and clean skin. I'm using this primer from Catrice. It is a finishing primer, I believe. I'll leave it down below in the description box. I'm going to moisturize my skin, and you can use any drugstore moisturizer that you love. Mine is a little bit on the bougie side. Shh, don't tell nobody. I am going in with my ColourPop brow pencil. Of course, I do know that it is not drugstore. However, it is only $5.50 or $6, and it is the best brow pencil I have ever used, period. So I'm just going to fill in my brows with this. Of course, you can always use the brow pencil from the drugstore that you like. And right now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to clean up my brows and just make them more precise and a lot sharper and neater. Going in with my favorite Royal & Langnickel Precision Dome Brush, I'm just going to clean up my concealer. And as always, you can save 10% when shopping with Royal & Langnickel if you use my code BKBeYouties. It's down below in the description box. They're having major sales for the holiday season. So please get your brushes and save more money on top of their major sales. As you can see, I'm concealing my lids and priming them. I'm going to use this Revolution makeup palette that I got from Ulta. It was like $5 or $7. I'm using that orangey brown color, and I'm really going to build that color up. You're going to see me use the stippling method where I tap the eyeshadow on my lid, and I'm going to build that up continuously. I do about 3 or 4 layers to build it up. It looks really close to my skin tone. However, you are able to see the contrasting difference against my skin once I build it up. I'm using this darker brownie color. It's more on the terracotta side, and I'm going to intensify that crease even more. And all the colors that I use are relatively close to each other. However, they make the perfect transition. I'm going for a very blown out, soft cut crease look. I'm using a small Luxie Dome brush, precision buffer brush in my crease. This is for people with small lids and want to do detail work. And I'm going in with that darker orange in the palette, and it's more of a robust orange shade, and I'm going to intensify the crease and build it up. And again, you are seeing me use the stamping motion. I'm stamping the shadows onto my lid. I don't worry about blending until later, as you will see later on. I'm taking a BH Cosmetic Fluffy Blending Brush. This is like the fluffiest blending brush I own, and I'm going to blow everything out and make it really soft. But however, it's going to stay defined because I took the necessary steps as in transitioning the shades. Now I'm cutting my crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease, more in a moon shape, and yeah, I'm not going too high up. I'm keeping it relatively close to my eye shape. I'm taking this Royal Langnickel concealer lid brush, and I'm going to go back into the palette with that shimmery champagne color. And I'm going to just use that as a base because we are going in with some bomb pigment for this look. So this is the pigment I'm using. I'll leave where I got it from down below in the description box. I paid about $4 to $6 for it. This is the pigment glue that I use. It is a black-owned cosmetic company. You can find them on Instagram. They're a small indie brand, and it is really, really, really affordable, like drugstore prices, like $4 to $6. And yeah, I'm gonna go in with that pigment. It is called White Gold. I found them on Instagram. Like I said, I'll leave them down below. I'm sorry, but you just can't get good pigment like this in the drugstore, honey. I believe they're called J. LaRue. It's gonna be down below. But look at that pigment. Look how beautiful it is. I'm taking my time and making sure I follow the cut crease outline I did for my lid, and just really packing it in there so I can give the most impactful cut crease look. Now I'm going back into the Revolution makeup palette, and I'm using those two shades to clean up my brow bone and set my concealer under there. And this really brings the whole look together. Yeah, it just makes it look so clean and so precise. Yeah, don't skip this step. Now I'm taking that robust orange again in the palette, and I'm going in with this deeper brown, and I am going to darken up my outer V. I'm going to add a little bit of depth and precision to my outer V so that my cut crease could look a lot sharper and cleaner. I'm taking this Tarte liner brush, and I'm going into the Cream Shop liner. You can find them in CVS. The Cream Shop is in CVS. I don't know if they're in Rite Aid or Walgreens, but I know for sure they are sold in CVS. I'm going to do a nice cat eye liner. I'm not going too thick, although I really feel like this look could have handled a really, really, really thick liner. I probably should have done a thick liner, but I did like a medium size. It wasn't too thin, it wasn't too thick. You guys can use your own discretion on this part, but honey, wing it out, make it sharp, baby. I'm taking the black matte eyeshadow from the Revolution makeup palette, and I am setting my wing liner because I felt like my wing liner wasn't as dark as I wanted to. But once I added that black shadow on top, baby, you were not telling me anything. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. Bomb, okay? Going in with this new CoverGirl mascara. I forgot the name of it. I'm going to leave it down below. And the wand looked really promising, and I was excited to use it. These are the lashes I'm using. iLord Luxe Lashes. I'm going to leave the name down below. And this is where you're going to see my reaction with this mascara. I was like, okay, heard you. Okay, you know, I just yes, I liked it. I'm adding my lashes, and if I didn't mention, I use dual eyelash glue in the black one, so yeah, that's what I use. And your eyes should look something like this. I'm using this Jonah Glow Radiant primer. You can find this brand in CVS. It is more on the silicone side, but it's supposed to give you a nice radiant glow and just make your skin look smooth. I felt that it was really, really nice, but I don't know how I feel about the silicone-y primers. Of course, I'm using my Pixie Skin Treats Flash Bomb 3-in-1. It is a primer. It is drugstore because you can find it at Target, honey, in the beauty section. You guys know I use this in every single tutorial. It's like my 2018 top use product. I love it. I'm almost out. Pixie, what up? Using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, orange concealer, to color correct my dark circles. You guys always talk about how beautiful my skin is, but I got dark circles, guys. Thank you so much. I love you guys, but these bags got to go, okay? So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm using this Vanity Planet brush. This is a powder brush. I don't know why I thought I could get away with buffing in my concealer with it. All my other brushes were dirty. Okay, of course, you know, I would have been on my Royal Langnickel. I really, really love the Vanity Planet brushes too, but it wasn't for this use. And going in with my Maybelline concealers, I'm finally using some Age Rewind. I'm using the shade Tan right here because it is the closest in my skin tone. And I'm just going to put it over the dark circles and the orange concealer that I put. And I'm just going to use that as my face base today. And look at that. It blends right into my skin. It is the perfect color, perfect undertone. Like, yo, Maybelline Age Rewind, what up? Feeling myself. Like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm going in with Caramel as my under eye brightener. It's so pretty. I love the undertone of this. It's just gorgeous. I really love this. And this was my first time using it. As you can see, I cannot wait to use it again. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 30 medium deep. I love this powder. It adds a very smooth finish under your eyes, and it just brings the coverage up a little bit more. I really love this Maybelline powder. I highly suggest it. I really feel like it is the best drugstore powder on the market. You guys, I will be doing a full face of Maybelline products and a full face of NYX products, so just bear with me. We kicking out these videos 2019. We got them coming. They coming. Don't worry. Using my NYX No Filter setting powder. It is my favorite powder. I use it in every tutorial, you guys know. I'm going to use that powder to finish off my face and dust off the excess powder. I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Powder in deep, medium deep, or dark deep. I don't know which one. And I am using a mixture of the two contour shades, the lighter one and the darker one. I really liked it. I've been using this palette consistently since I got it last month. And I gotta tell you, I like it. I see what everybody was talking about. I like it. As you can see, I place my contour down and I start to, I'm very like erratic when it comes to putting my contour. I place the pigment down first, all over my face, then I buff out, as you can see, baby. Okay, I am blended, hunty, blended, okay? My mug is blended, Alright, I changed my clothes and now I'm back. I'm going in with that same matte black and I'm putting it in my waterline, the matte black from the Revolution makeup palette, and I'm putting it in my waterline. And then I'm going to go in with the darker terracotta orange and I'm going to buff that out to just smoke out my lower lash line a bit. Going back in with the CoverGirl mascara, I am going to load this baby on. I was going to do fake lashes, but it was like 1 o'clock in the morning, almost 2. I decided not to waste lashes just to film this look. But you can go in with fake lashes if, you know, you're going out for New Year's. I'm using Essence mascara. You can find them in any drugstore, CVS, Walgreens, and even Ulta. I really like their brand. They are a good drugstore brand. Look how pigmented this blush is. Did I say mascara? I meant blush. This is Essence blush. Really good brands. I like them. Pick them up in drugstore. I have a few of their products and it's been working. Going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, a cult fave. Alright, and I'm using my favorite highlighter brush from Royal and Langnickel. You guys, I say this in every video, best highlighting brush on the market, hands down. I'm going to highlight my high points and just make my face bling, okay? I'm gonna spray the Catrice setting spray and lock everything in. Then I'm going with, say it with me, it's my favorite NYX Cappuccino lip liner. You guys, you know, nothing new. I'm going in with this NYX Plush lipstick right here, and I'm just going to dab a little bit on. And then I'm going in with this Absolute New York glitter lip gloss. If you like this video, please do me the favor and thumbs this video up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And if you recreate it, don't forget to tag me on social media. Follow me on my social media networks. Names and links are down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video.